Welcome back to Chasing Textures. I already know y'all are like, Chastity, where is your natural hair? This is a natural hair channel. This video, I decided to switch it up. So I actually prepped my hair to go under this wig, which is going to be my protective style of the week. So I'll show you guys how I prep my hair and all of the products that I use. So stay tuned. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. And if you are new to my channel, I hope you like my videos. So when you are prepping your hair for a protective style, you still want to follow your normal natural hair routine. So you want to start off by cleansing your hair. Clean hair promotes growth. So in this video, I cleanse my hair with the VO5 Kiwi Lime Squeeze with lemongrass extract clarifying shampoo. This is one of my favorite clarifying shampoos right now, and it only costs $1.79. Yeah, so it is one of my favorite shampoos right now. It is not stripping at all. It gets your hair clean on the first wash, and I love it. It smells so good, so good. So if you don't have a good clarifying shampoo or don't want to spend a whole lot of money on a clarifying shampoo, I would suggest the VO5. So next, I deep condition. Of course, you guys know I have to deep condition. And I deep condition with the Camille Rose Algae Renew deep conditioning mask. And it is all gone, guys. But I love this deep conditioner. The moisture is amazing. Like, it's amazing. If you haven't tried it, try it. It's thick, but it's not so thick that you can't work it into your hair or it doesn't have any slip. So yes, I deep conditioned with this. And my hair, this added a lot of moisture to my hair even before I went in with my leave-in. So next I went in with the Curl Love Moisture Milk. And if you've ever used this product, you know it packs a ton of moisture. It has great slip. So I actually detangled with this in my hair. So once I detangled, I put my hair in twists. And I actually put those twists together with a band on them to stretch my hair using a heatless method. So I used the banding method to stretch my hair instead of blow drying it out. And of course, I'm extra, so I went in with the moisture butter. And before I actually braided my hair, I put this on there and then braided it. That was just to add a little bit more moisture, just because I don't know if I'm going to have this style for, 2 weeks or just 1 week. So that's all the products that I use. So I'll show you guys how I use the products. Alright, so I have already shampooed my hair and I'm about to go in with the deep conditioner. And this is how my hair is looking just after washing my hair with the shampoo. You guys know I like to work in sections. That is what works for me. Some people don't have to. It's just what works for me. So I am going to go in with the deep conditioner from Camille Rose. And it is a medium thick consistency. Not the thickest that I've ever had, but not thin at all. This deep conditioner has a good amount of slip for the consistency. And one tip when you are deep conditioning, sometimes if your hair is really tangled or the shampoo is really stripping, sometimes you can just add the deep conditioner, let it sit for a little while, then detangle. Don't try to go in and detangle as soon as you add the deep conditioner. Whenever I use a clarifying shampoo, that's what I do. I add the deep conditioner and then I let it sit and then I go back to detangle. Most times when you are doing protective styling, your hair is going to be put up for a while. So you want to make sure that you are deep conditioning and you are getting a good and moisturizing deep conditioner, because you need that moisture. If you're getting braids, you're going to leave it up probably 3 to 4 weeks. If you are wearing a wig, you're going to leave it up for a little while. So it is important that you deep condition. Deep condition and use a good moisturizing deep conditioner. One of the deep conditioners that I fell in love with was the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafira Oil Intensive Hydration Conditioner. And yes, that was my go-to deep conditioner. Really, I didn't know about any more deep conditioners, so yeah. It got the job done, and that's what grew my hair out, and kept it moisturized for the most part. So if you are just starting out, and looking for a deep conditioner that's readily available, that's a good one. Now it's really thick, so you're gonna have to use heat when you use that deep conditioner, but it definitely works. So I'm going to let this stay in my hair for about 30 minutes and then I'll rinse it out and I'll be back. So I am back with everything all washed out. And this is how my hair is looking. Feeling good, looking good. Okay, so for this step, you're going to go in with your leave-in or whatever you're using in order to add moisture to your hair for the week. So I am going in with the Curl Love Moisture Milk by Camille Rose. And if you've ever tried this, you know this is super duper moisturizing. So that is why I chose it. So I'm not going to go in really small sections because I am not prepping my hair for a wash and go or anything. So I don't need to define my hair. I just need to add product. So I'm going to add a little water. And I haven't detangled my hair yet. I did a little finger detangling, but I wanted to wait because the conditioner was so thick. And this has amazing slip, so detangling won't be a problem. Now I'm just going to finger detangle. And I love the way the Curl Love Moisture Milk just glides onto your hair. You can feel it penetrating the strands. You don't have to use a lot of it. But again, there can be any leave-in that you want to use. I just chose to use the moisture milk this time. And after you finish detangling, I am just going to twist it up. Alright, so I have detangled my hair and twisted it all. And it is feeling really, really good. So I am going to let the twist dry so I don't have to blow dry my hair and it'll already be stretched. So I decided to stretch my hair the heatless way. I did the banding method. I put my twist into a band and then banded it all the way down until they dried. So this is what I'm working with. My hair is pretty stretched, which works for me because I'm not about to flat iron my hair or anything. So I am going in with a little of the Curl-A Moisture Butter by Camille Rose. And I am just putting a little of that on the section of hair I'm about to braid. And of course I am doing a side part. You guys probably already knew that. And I like to use the heatless way because if I am not about to flat iron my hair or anything, I try to use as less heat as possible. Now sometimes I will blow dry my hair out, just depends on if I think my ends need a good trim. But for the most part, I do it the heatless way. Going in with a little butter. And the butter is just to ensure that I have a bit more moisture. Even though the Curl Love Moisture Milk was very, very moisturizing, I just like to go in with a little butter. And then I just go in and braid. And I am not a professional braider by no means. I just know how to get the job done. And it is so important that you are making sure that your hair is really moisturized, because if not, your hair is going to get brittle. So this is the finished product. I have braided my hair down. It feels good and moisturized. I have added my oil to my scalp, and I think I'm going to have a pretty flat install. Of course, I'm not the best braider, but I can get the job done, and that's what counts. So yeah, I am ready for the week. I'll show you guys, I'll come back and show you guys how my wig sits on my head. So I am back, and this is how my hair is looking. So of course I just threw on one of my wigs. My hair is laying pretty flat, and it looks good. So this will be my protective style for the week. And I am excited. I haven't worn a wig in like probably 6 or 7 months. So I am just loving this. So that concludes this video. That is how I prep my hair for protective styling.